With a strong start to this second half, the 3-and-out. Defense did their job, offense came down the field, and then clutch time, it paid off.
Gutsy call, because you better know you have the right play to get you some points there. Otherwise, if you miss that deal, you have brought the crowd back to life. You put your defense in a tough spot, but Turner Gill had the right play with the right defense out there, and they got the touchdown and changed the complexion of the ballgame.
Years old and has less than 200,000 miles on it, then we may still be able to offer you repair protection. Call now and we will connect you with one of our preferred extended protection providers. You choose the coverage and we'll tailor a plan to fit your budget. His transmission repair cost $3,300, but the owner paid nothing. 100% covered. When her car overheated, she called the shop and had her car towed. Just show your repair protection ID card and pay nothing. Repair costs are paid directly to your dealer or repair shop with no out-of-pocket costs to you. Save thousands in car repairs and keep your vehicle worry-free.
Call 800-402-7117 and get a free quote from a nationally recognized A-plus rated provider. There's no obligation. Call 800-402-7117 now.
You're watching ESPN's College Football Primetime from The Rock, Roberts Stadium here in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. A matchup between the Big 12 and Conference USA as Kansas has come to Southern Miss. We'll move to further action right after these messages.
Man, we fucked up the first time. I thought you were going to let me smoke up.
That's what's fucked up.
Sign up at Valvoline.com.
And the smoke ain't got to when I need to start moving around.
That's what you did, though.
So,